What's up, guys? Today we are going to be exploring one of our newest STEM kits, which is Robot Recipe. So in this video, I'm just gonna go quickly over how this STEM kit can be laid out, some of the activities that come with it, and just kind of like showing you a little bit about what is inside of this kit. So there are 3 stations that come with this kit. There is actually a 4th one that will be coming with this kit, but that's currently in development at the moment. But let's go ahead and look at our very first station, which is Simple Machine Challenge course. So with this station, there are a couple different challenge courses that you can choose from that come with the kit, and there's examples and explains like what the materials are that you'll need and all that kind of stuff. There are also different examples for simple machines that are used in everyday life, such as wheels, pulley systems, inclined plane, levers, that kind of stuff. And then for what I have, which is just a basic setup for this station, we have our first challenge course is a Tesla tower. So at this course, the objective is to try to get Casey, our Science Alive mascot, off of the top of the Tesla tower, which is what is being represented here by this blue block. And there's materials that go with this course that are meant for trying to get Casey off. So our participants have to use these materials to try to get him down. And then with this one here, Casey is trapped in the desert of Nevada, the hot deserts of Nevada, and the participants need to build some type of device that can safely get Casey across the desert without him touching the hot desert sand. So there are some wheels, some wind dowels, and there's a couple other materials. These are some materials that I added as extra because the instructions state that you can kind of add a couple different things depending on what you want, how difficult you would like the challenge to be. So you can keep that in mind when it comes to setting these guys up. Station 2, we have these mystery bags. Inside the mystery bags are a couple different assorted objects. And the objective of this station is for participants to learn about sensory, just how do robots sense things around them? How do humans sense the environment around us? So they will be putting their hands in here, they cannot look, and then they will be using their science notebook to write down what they think is inside these bags. Over here at the light chasing robot station, participants will use the flashlight to guide our light chasing robot across this obstacle course. They can set it up however they like with these blue traffic cones. And they will learn about how that robot works with this station guide here. There's also, these are our science notebooks. So there is different things and information that goes along with all of the stations here. So this is where the participants will write down their findings from each different station. Over here at our 3rd station, we have our ozobots. So the ozobot is really cool. So this bot will follow the track that you draw out using these markers. It doesn't have to be the ozobot brand markers. They come with the colors though, which is what you need to use for giving him commands or giving them commands. So different color patterns will determine how the ozobot will respond. In black, it will just respond by driving straight on it. So here's how the ozobot follows the black marker tracks. It's just like a train track basically. It's really interesting and it's fun to watch how the ozobot will respond to the different color patterns, and also just giving it a very crazy track and path to follow, just like what one of the members did here at the club. They made this track yesterday and it came out really interesting, and they had a lot of fun working with that. And the ozobot loves it too. He just loves following these little crazy zigzags and turns. Also at this station is a decoder ring, and the objective for this activity is to help Casey decode some of these symbols. So it's teaching participants about coding, and they will use this coding ring to figure out what the symbols mean. There are a couple other activities that come with some of these stations. I didn't lay them all out just because there are quite a few, and you may or may not want a couple more tables out to help give yourself some space. I just set up a very basic setup for these stations for this presentation. But this is what it basically looks like, and you can kind of get an idea of what activities these stations will provide your participants with and what kind of knowledge they will get out of it. So thank you for watching this video, and have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you guys.